Guys, welcome back to another video, and we've been working off camera. Not too much, because we're upgrading bullet penetration and bullet damage. There's quite a bit of people on this free-for-all server, and sorry for the shakiness.
Max.
What?
If I can find a hectagon, look how strong I am.
Jeez! Takes out that hexagon half health with one bullet. That's pretty nice.
Now I'll take it out with one bullet.
Or not. It's a machine gun. Machine guns are weak. See? Now he's really strong with a machine gun.
You just said machine guns are really weak.
He's really strong with a machine gun since you upgraded all the bullet damage and bullet penetration. Such a hard word to say.
Pretty big.
Yep. My arm's tired, guys. Switching arms. Okay, now he's upgrading. What's it called? I'll show you guys what it's called soon. Sooner or later. Okay, he's upgrading movement speed.
What you call swiftness?
So there's a red guy near. Well, there's an enemy near because there are no red guys. It's all free for all. This video could only be 7 minutes 25 seconds long.
Okay.
It's gonna be a pretty short video for our first video of YouTube, hopefully, right? And yeah, we're playing Deep.io.
Arena closer.
Oh,
Get away!
Arena closer. I hate arena closers.
But it's not the big guy, so that's good.
It's just like a little guy,
Yes.
like that arena closed.
Come on, see if I can take him on.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe not, but
Maybe not.
maybe another day.
Maybe another day. What
Movement
will he
speed is
upgrade?
fully upgraded.
Okay, movement speed. He's a very strong machine gun, guys. He moves pretty fast for Deep.io.
The phone booster spawn.
Oh boy.
That's a phone booster?
I don't know.
I think it is. I am gonna work on bullet speed.
Bullets.
And look, now
They go faster.
my bullets go through, and they still go.
That's what bullet penetration
I hate you.
is for. I hate you. Right? I hate you.
Die already.
Jeez.
Jeez, he's pretty strong.
You've killed? I hate you guys. Arms tied, switching arms.
Look how fast my bullets go.
Oh my word.
I am OP.
Ness. You have the OP-ness. Oh, sorry guys. Oops. I was a little too late. I'm ready. I'm ready to move. 4 minutes in.
Cannon.
Jeez, that's fast.
I hate y'all.
I hate you, you're back. I hate you. What is he doing? He's stupid. So he's upgrading bullet speed. He's upgraded quite a bit, guys. He might actually upgrade them all. I didn't know you could do that. Look at his levels.
We're 6th place.
Really?
Yeah, look. I'm new.
Cool. Because we are new.
Booper duper. Oh, yes.
Oh, boy. still okay.
Now I am ripped.
Sorry, guys. Jesus, he is a machine. Da, 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 da. Okay, max health. On the most important, great job. One of the most important things are health.
Super duper again.
Also, Super duper. Oh well. Sorry, guys.
Super pooper.
Super pooper. You're the party pooper. Super pooper. Does that rhyme? You're the party pooper. I don't know. Jeez, he's a beast. He knows this game a lot more than I do. But I can play this game at home, guys. I have my own YouTube channel. Oh, want me to tell you guys it right now? It's ways to have fun with me. Boring. Don't judge me. You have about 1 minute left. 1 minute. Exactly. We're probably going to make a part 2 to this, guys. Yes, we are, probably. If he doesn't die right here. Dun, dun, dun.
Dude, who is this?
I don't know.
The Fallen Booster. It's the Fallen Booster.
Fallen Booster.
Card nuggets.
He just died, guys. That's going to be it for this video. We're going to make a part 2 with me playing it. Bye!
I want to show you something. Look.